To the interior of this 2x6 with exterior XPS, we mentioned earlier that the fact that the XPS to the exterior is now our vapor barrier, we do not need to have a membrane on the interior of this wall to be the vapor barrier, so it can be left open, and this wall essentially becomes a service cavity. So the benefit of that is that any of our electrical boxes or our penetrations to the interior side of this wall, we don't have to use special electrical boxes that can be sealed and things like that. It's just like doing electrical or HVAC on an interior wall. Where we do have penetrations going through the exterior, such as an exterior electrical box or a hood fan or a dryer fan, we do need to make sure that we seal this vent and the wire to that exterior WRB, which is the air control layer. So for us, what we've done here is we've used spray foam to ensure that that gets sealed to that WRB, maintaining that air control layer. On the ceiling, because if we were to land trusses on this assembly, the underside of those trusses would be the air control layer. So that would be the vapor barrier that would be on the underside of those trusses. We have planned to have this peel and stick WRB wrap around the top of the plates. With this being a peel and stick membrane, it's not going to go anywhere or blow in the wind or anything like that. And so it's now brought that air control layer to the interior, and that vapor barrier on the underside of those trusses can get tied into this WRB air control layer, therefore maintaining a continuous air control layer throughout the build.